What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So today is actually going to be pretty exciting. It's starting to rain a little bit, so I'm going to hurry this process up. But I got a new exhaust for the KTM. It's pretty much been long overdue. I wanted one for this bike for a while, but I just never really pulled the trigger on it until now. So I'm going to start the bike up and see if it actually starts to begin with, and give you a little sound test. It's starting to come down pretty good now. All right, that's enough on that. I'm surprised it even started actually as good as it did. It's been sitting there for a while. So, see if we can, oh my God, push this thing back in. This is the exhaust right here. You got the blue anodized exhaust. Spark rest right here, probably won't put that in or not, but this is the header right here. So it's pretty cool setup. Kind of waited a little long to get this, but I didn't really want to spend the money, but you know, I did, just because it kind of fits the whole bike and would make the whole bike complete, because this exhaust kind of looks kind of ugly. So this got some stuff to take off. We don't have to take off the number plate because you can just go through the little holes right there. So we just have the few bolts to take off and should be good. There we go. Half is off. Pretty thick too.
Give it a home.
I know that one's pretty light. So I'm just gonna take this header off, and then, I don't know, we could weigh them, but you can also look at the specs online, so it doesn't really matter. Bleeding, huh? I'm looking at this.
It's a little different bend to it.
Yeah, a little different.
It is quite a bit lighter.
Yeah, so we gotta put, I guess we're just using this, and then what did you do with the other thing? And then, and then these, I guess we're just gonna put in here, so, because that's where that was right there. So we're just gonna reuse those parts. Okay, so we got that on. So it's just a little grommet,
A little loose
rubber
until we
piece.
fit it.
So now we're on to the cool part. Hopefully it fits. This thing is pretty sweet. I like the blue. I've always liked the blue.
There you go. Perfect. That's it. Perfect. What about grommets? Oh shit, we know grommets in there.
Yep, that might be an issue.
Alright, are they in that pipe?
Yes, they are.
Alright, so before we do anything, let's do the same with make life a little easier over here.
Alrighty, got the exhaust on. Full exhaust is looking pretty good. Definitely completes the look of the bike now, so you don't have to worry about looking at that ugly looking thing. Still raining out, gonna back it up a little bit so it can get a true sound test, so it's not echoing up throughout the garage or anything. All right, first start. definitely louder for sure. All right, one more time, I guess. Well, I noticed for sure it's definitely deeper than the stock one, for sure. I put them side by side and show you guys what they actually sound like. Yeah, that's really loud. That was like that, not even a lot, and that's super loud. So, you think we need that thing? Nah, we don't need it. Oh, well, you know, I don't think you need it. Sounds good. Sounds really good. I'm happy with it. All right, well, exhaust is on there. Did a sound test. We'll probably put them back to back, and sounds sick. Looks sick. I'm happy with it. So, hopefully we go faster. Maybe. That means we go faster because we got a better exhaust, but we get all the babes with that one. But that's gonna wrap that up. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. I know it probably wasn't too long. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you guys are stopping by for the first time, when I see more content, pit bike content, dirt bike content, whatever you want to see, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you guys want to see next. And with all that being said, see you guys in the next video. What's up, guys? So it's the next day. Decided to, it's a bit nicer out, not raining or everything. It's actually pretty sunny out. Decided just to show you guys what the bike looks like out in the sun. Looks really good with the FMF on there. I just want to give you guys a better view of it out in the sun, and really does complete the whole bike because it literally has everything else, that suspension and everything else, graphics, all that good stuff. All it really needed was an exhaust, so I was kind of holding back on it just because they're kind of pricey. But yeah, now I got it. It sounds sick. I love it. It looks sick. It really completes the bike. Hopefully everything is on there pretty good. It won't fall off, hopefully. We'll find that out when we're riding it. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.